Welcome to our YouTube channel dedicated to kitchen essentials. Today, we sift through the options to bring you the best flour sifters on the market. Whether you're a baking enthusiast or a culinary pro, finding the perfect sifter can make all the difference. Join us as we review and compare the top models, helping you choose the ideal flour sifter for your kitchen needs. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Knorr Pro 3-Cup Stainless Steel Rotary Hand Crank Flour Sifter. Starting out as a baker can be pricey when it comes to building your kitchen tools. That's why we recommend the Knorr Pro Flour Sifter, an affordable option that doesn't compromise on essential features for perfecting your craft. Weighing just under 1/3 of a pound, it's lightweight and designed for easy one-handed operation, allowing you to familiarize yourself with it quickly. The Knorr Pro Flour Sifter stands out with its crank handle and a convenient scooped edge for effortless filling. Its 3-cup capacity is ample for various baking needs. What distinguishes it further is the inclusion of volume markings both inside and outside, making it particularly user-friendly for beginners, ideal for gifting to kitchen enthusiasts. This flour sifter also doubles as a tool for lightly dusting food with sugar. Cleaning is hassle-free, simply wash it or wipe it down. For more thoughtful kitchen gifts, consider exploring our guide to the best brown sugar storage solutions. In summary, the Knorr Pro Flour Sifter is a budget-friendly choice with a generous capacity and innovative features like dual volume markings, perfect for anyone starting their baking journey or looking for a practical kitchen gift. Pros: best on a budget, volume markings on inside and outside of the sifter, 3-cup capacity, smooth hand crank operation. Cons: measurements are not precise. Number 2. Bellmain Stainless Steel 3-Cup Flour Sifter. A popular choice among bakers, this 3-cup crank-style sifter exemplifies why it's a favorite. Built to handle various flours and coarse ingredients like bran or almond meal, its robust construction ensures durability. The canister features engraved measurement markings inside, with the 3-cup mark slightly below the angled top, allowing it to hold a bit more than stated. These markings enable approximate measuring as you sift through. For precision, a measuring cup is recommended, or gauge remaining flour. During testing, the sifting mechanism performed admirably, and the sifter felt ergonomic to hold, while the manufacturer suggests hand washing or wiping clean. We tested its resilience by running it through the dishwasher without any adverse effects, although prolonged exposure to water could potentially lead to rusting. Notably resistant to dents, scratches, and rust, this sifter promises longevity. Cleaning is a breeze, simply wipe with a cloth or toss it in the dishwasher for a sparkling finish. Ideal for enduring use in any kitchen, it combines practicality with robust build quality. Pros: engraved measurements on the side, sturdy construction, lightweight handling, durable and anti-rust material. Cons: will eventually rust. Number 3. Mrs. Anderson's Baking Hand Squeeze Flour Sifter. If you're seeking a reliable tool for aerating and sifting your baking ingredients effortlessly, consider the Mrs. Anderson Flour Sifter. Its crank handle efficiently sifts dry ingredients such as coarse and fine flours, sugar, and baking additives like baking powder and soda, ensuring a consistent blend for better taste and texture in your baking. Crafted from durable, lightweight, rust-resistant stainless steel with a wooden knob handle, this sifter is designed for years of reliable use. It features engraved measurements for easy tracking of sifted flour amounts. The crank handle operates smoothly, allowing for prolonged sifting without hand fatigue. While praised for its performance, some users have noted challenges with cleaning due to stubborn glue residue from labels, which can penetrate through the mesh lining. Additionally, the sifter lacks instructions on removing this glue, posing a potential usability issue. Overall, the Mrs. Anderson Flour Sifter offers robust construction and efficient functionality, making it a suitable choice for enhancing your baking process, provided you manage the label glue issue effectively. Number 4. Snowy 3-Cup Flour Sifter for Baking. Recipes calling for sifted flour often result in a tender and fluffy texture, like this delectable spice bread recipe, enhanced by using the Snowy Flour Sifter. Featuring double stainless steel layers with fine perforations and a sturdy handle, it ensures a perfectly smooth ingredient for your baking needs. Resistant to rust and dishwasher safe, this heavy-duty sifter is both durable and easy to clean. With a capacity of 7 ounces, it's suitable for larger cakes or batch baking, yet remains lightweight and manageable for users of all ages. Its user-friendly design prioritizes safety and ease of use. Snowy's flour sifter is also dishwasher safe, offering hassle-free maintenance. Moreover, Snowy provides peace of mind with a 12-month limited warranty, promising to refund or replace the sifter if any construction or craftsmanship defects arise. Their dedicated customer service team is available year-round to assist with any concerns, ensuring a supportive experience for users. Key features: double-layered construction, capacity equivalent 3 cups, dishwasher safe. Number 5. Hooli Sun 3-cup flour sifter for baking. The Hooli Sun flour sifter boasts a generous capacity of 3 cups, making it effortless to sift any powder you need quickly. It features measurements stamped into the metal, visible from both inside and outside the sifter for convenient use. Compared to traditional hand-squeeze sifters, Hooli Sun's design is ergonomically crafted for ease of use, minimizing strain and allowing for swift completion of baking tasks. The crank handle design ensures effortless and consistent flour sifting, even during prolonged use, providing precise control over the baking process. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this flour sifter is resistant to corrosion and rust, ensuring durability and a long service life. Its easy-to-clean interior prevents ingredients from getting stuck, thanks to a single-layer mesh design. Whether you're a professional baker or a hobbyist, this sifter is an ideal choice due to its efficiency and user-friendly features. In summary, the Hooli Sun flour sifter combines a large capacity with durable stainless steel construction and ergonomic design, making it an essential tool for every baker seeking reliability and ease of use in their kitchen.